matters in Broken Arrow. BA Police and Fire say they're going to take part in a free trial for a first responder drone program. Broken Arrow Police already have a drone program they use every day, but right now, officers must arrive on scene before they use a drone. With this new program, the department will be able to launch a drone to a scene as soon as that call comes in. Chief Lance Arnold says the department can use a drone for any type of call, and it will allow officers to get information before arriving to the scene. Arnold says it will improve response time and safety for officers.
It's just more of a force multiplier for us. So a quicker response to get eyes on scene, to start putting that data back to exactly what's going on, can certainly increase our safety in our community.
Now, as for BA Fire, the average response time is about 5 minutes, but Fire Chief Jeremy Moore says a drone can arrive on scene in about 60 seconds, allowing firefighters to get information about the scene before they get there. The trial for the program was just approved this week. Police Chief Arnold says it will take about 5 months to get the 2 first responder drones.